As a professional makeup artist, I see tons of clients, and something that I usually ask before each makeup application is, how do you typically wear your makeup, or what products do you typically use? The number one answer of things that people opt out of because they are fearful or they don't know how to do it is contour. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to use contour and blush and highlight the correct way that should take you all of 5 minutes. It's super simple, and let's keep going. First up, you gotta get your hair out of your way. For me, that's not an easy task. For my bronzer, which I'm going to create the dark parts of the contour with, I'll be using the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer, and this is the shade Bronzed Belle. So I'm going to load up my brush with this product and go underneath my cheekbones. Depending on the size of your forehead, I have a pretty large forehead, so I'll be going all along my forehead, and then dip down underneath my jaw. And to make sure that everything is nice and blended, I will also feather the product down. Okay, so the next step is also dependent on your face shape. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of nose contour on myself, but if you have a more narrow nose, this may be something that you wanna opt out of. It is just something that I do a tiny bit of here, and underneath. Now that I look nice and crazy, let's blend this all out. I'll be taking a separate brush that is clean of any product. It's pretty compact, so I can blend everything out easily. And I'm blending everything upwards and outwards. I'm gonna break my rule. Blending my neck, I'm gonna blend it down and out. Y'all can see I'm actually super pale for what I usually look like, so it's gonna be a little bit of extra blending today, but typically this matches really beautifully. Now, seeing as this is quite a big brush, I'm gonna switch brushes to blend out my nose. I'm gonna take the loose end of this brush Okay, now if you're really wanting to contour, it is not gonna be perfect initially. Now I'm gonna go in with my powder, my lighter color, and I'm gonna make sure that everything is where it needs to be and super even and blended. I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. And I'm just sharpening the lines of my bronzer a little bit more. So as I mentioned before, contour is super easy to overcomplicate. I've spoken with gals that have said, I don't know, I've watched 20, 30-minute long videos and they're, oh, put it here, put it there, and I need a way to simplify it. The easiest way that I can explain to you how to simplify it is if a part of your face is more pronounced or that you would like to see the light more, you will put lighter there. And then underneath, kind of where your face is more shadowed, you will put darker. So for example, I'm putting darker underneath my cheekbone, lighter on top of my cheekbone to give me a more pronounced cheekbone. Simple as that. You just repeat that everywhere else on your face that you would like to contour. Cleaning up my nose contour. All right, let's move on to blush. I'm going in with the NARS Orgasm Blush. Loaded up my brush. And a long time ago, I feel like people used to say apples of your cheeks. Personally, I like to go a little bit higher than that and almost come to the apple, but not quite on the apple. This helps lift your face up once again. Got quite a bit of product on there right now. If it's summertime, a trick that I like to do is to take a little bit of the blush and put it over my nose. It helps you look sun-kissed. And now I'm going back with my blending brush and I'll blend everything out. For my highlighter, I'm taking the MAC Double Gleam Extra Dimension Skin Finish. I guess Double Gleam is the shade, so I was trying to make sure I had that accurate for you all. And this is the brush that came with it. It's flat, but has a little bit of density to it. I really like it. I go the top of my cheekbones, top of my lip, top of my nose, the bridge of my nose, extra for my eyes. If you check out my other video right here, I've showed you how I do my eye makeup. It's actually using this product as well. It's super quick and great for beginners. I highly recommend checking it out. And then I put a little bit over my eyebrows. I like a really glowy look. I think that it is super in right now, and this is a great product because it doesn't make you look greasy or sweaty. It just makes you look radiant. Last but not least, blend out the highlighter. And this is just very easy blending. I'm not pressing too hard. It just needs the ever so tiniest little bit of guidance. Now, we cannot forget to set our beautiful work. So today I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Once again, brush my hair back, close my eyes. And voila, it is as easy as that to perform a contour, blush, and highlight look on yourself at home. I hope that you found this video helpful. If so, make sure that you comment down below, let us know what videos you'd like to see more of, and also hit that like button. Thanks, guys.